dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That's a thumbs up. Helps my channel grow, helps me get out into the YouTube universe, and helps me meet more amazing people like you guys in the comments. I do mostly keto vlogs. I do occasionally the keto grocery haul, keto meal preps. I'll do reviews on keto products, just mostly all things related, just a lifestyle keto journey, just trying to succeed. This is the part of the video where I show you what I'm having for lunch and tell you what I had for breakfast. So for breakfast, I just had 2 cups of coffee. I had the rest of my Bones Coffee Company, what flavor was that? Oh, Cinnabon, mixed with a little bit of the cookies and Dream, which was actually really good. And then I had a cup of the cookies and Dream, and I just pour a little bit of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, and 3 teaspoons of pure erythritol stevia blend, and 1 little scoop of MCT powder in both of those. So that's what I had for breakfast. And then today for lunch, I think I made this on Saturday. I made this Keto Chow on Saturday. Now I'm trying something a little bit different. I have a ton of MCT oil now, whether it be from ones that I bought, ones that I was sent, ones that I was sent to review, ones that came with things that I ordered, whatever. I have a lot. And so I decided to start using MCT oil in my Keto Chow. Well, I'm trying it. So most of the time I do avocado oil. I got a thing of walnut oil, and I was really liking that, but they're kind of pricey, and if I have a lot of oil like MCT oil, why not use it if it tastes good? So I did 1/4 cup of MCT oil, and when I compared the macros to the MCT oil and to the avocado oil and the walnut oil, they were very similar. Actually, this was 10 calories lower than those oils. So I have had plenty of MCT oil. Some people, MCT oil upsets your stomach, especially if you've never had it before. It may upset your stomach. I use it quite often, so I'm not worried that it's gonna upset my stomach. Now, a 4th cup of it, I'm wondering if it will. So this is an experiment. This is a test. This is gonna see how it works. So this is the salted caramel, made with 4 to 5 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk and a 4th cup of MCT oil from Left Coast Performance. So you always have to lick the lid. Let's see how this is. Honestly, it tastes just like salted caramel Keto Chow. I don't taste a difference. I don't know, tastes good to me. I was a little worried that the MCT oil, with it being cold, maybe it would clump up, because it tends to do that in like a cold coffee. But then again, I never have problems with the other oils whenever I mix it, so I don't know. But there's no clumps. It's pretty smooth. It looks and tastes just like the regular Keto Chow. So I don't know. Some of you don't like specific oil tastes, and I don't really feel like MCT oil has a taste. I don't know. This tastes like salted caramel to me. So, let me just tell you. Yesterday, I told you in yesterday's vlog about the issue with the little kid coming into my yard and then Link knocking him over. So my dishwasher was broken, so I messaged the lady of the complex that I live in, and I let her know, and she said, oh, I had a couple complaints about your doggy howling when you're not home. So Link does howl when the kids first leave for school. He doesn't howl all day. He stops, but he does howl at first because he doesn't want to be in his cage and he's sad. And I would like to know who the people are that are complaining, because I don't have any neighbors. The neighbors on the left moved out and the neighbors on the right moved out. Now the maintenance men are in the apartment right next to me getting it ready to be up for rent. So the only thing that I can think of, Link howling all day and a couple complaints, is from the maintenance guys over there when they're drilling and they're banging. They are quite loud during the day. And then Link thinking that somebody's home and then howling because he thinks that we're home and we're just ignoring him. So I just told the lady, I'm sorry. Maybe I'll try to move his cage upstairs and see if it'll work. She said maybe I could turn a TV on. I don't know. So there's that. Then there's other crap going on at work, and it's like, I mean, it's not really related to me, but it sort of is. And it's just people saying, well, this person didn't do this. And I know for a fact that that person, yes, did do that. And I don't know. It's just, it's frustrating when you know the truth of something and like it's clear that they don't care about the truth. They just want to throw somebody under the bus. And I mean, it's like, what can you do? But it's not related to me, so I guess I should just be thankful that I'm not caught in that crosshair. So I'm going to drink my Keto Chow. I am going to enjoy the rest of my short lunch break, and I will see you guys after work. All right, I want to give you a little update since I've started drinking more of it, and I'm almost done, about halfway. I will say that I kind of do have like a, not a super oily, but a little bit of an oily taste in my mouth. And the more I drank it, I can sort of tell a little bit of a difference. Is it that much of a noticeable difference to me? I don't think so. Like, I could still drink it like this. However, it may not be something that everybody would like. Like, it's not, let me, yeah, I can see how some people may not care for that leftover oily taste in their mouth. So, will I keep doing it? I'm not sure. I really need to depend on, I really need to see what happens next with the stomach. So, depending on that will be if I decide to do the MCT oil again, and maybe I just did too much MCT oil. So this could either be a really good day or a really bad day. We'll find out. All right, I'm not even finished with my, I got about this much left, and I can already feel my stomach rumbling and rumbling. Was this a bad idea? Did you hear that? Holy cow, that was my stomach going. Oh my god. This is gonna be a bad day. It is rumbling and making all kinds of crazy noises. I can't go potty at work. I can go pee at work, but I definitely can't poop at work. I can't. I feel so weird. Oh my god, why did I do this? Why didn't I do this on a day I was at home? This was such a bad idea. I don't feel like I have to go to the bathroom, but I can definitely hear some stuff going on. And I have a headache now. What's going on? Why? Why did I do this? I did it so you won't, okay? I did it so you won't. I saved you. Don't do this. Maybe. I suppose I better show you what I'm eating for dinner before I eat it all. So, I just heated up the chicken ziti that I made yesterday in the Instapot. And then I have the rest of this leftover rotisserie chicken in with some rest of the butter lettuce and some spinach and some ranch. And I'm probably gonna also have some egg salad. And that is it. I'm drinking fruit punch built boost. These taste really good, but I don't know, I just don't get the energy. And as far as the MCT oil, actually that's all my stomach did. It just grumbled for about half an hour and then that was it. So I made it again with MCT oil for tomorrow. Alright, so crunch time. Tomorrow's the boy's birthday and I have to make them a cake. And I found this in the cabinet, but I don't have any frosting. So I'm gonna make my own frosting, I think, for it. But first I'm gonna take Link for a walk. It tastes really good. I will show you if I eat anything else. If I do eat anything else later tonight, it'll just be cheese and pork rinds. Other than that, that's it. See you guys tomorrow.